This protocol describes a simple and rapid method for measuring tumor mitochondrial function. The protocol is broadly applicable to clinical translational oncology and will help enhance diagnostic and mechanistic interpretation of the role of mitochondria in the onset and progression of cancer.
The main advantage of this technique is the application of tissue homogenization to simplify preparation and maximize the yield of mitochondria while mitigating the limitations of diffusion. This technique offers potential applications in clinical and diagnostic settings with a quantitative assessment of tumor mitochondrial function using freshly biopsied or excised tumor tissue.
Begin by placing a glass homogenizer containing 1 milliliter of mitochondrial respiration medium, or MIR-O5, in a tightly fitting glass pestle on wet ice. Place the tissue in 1 milliliter of biopsy preservation solution, or BIOPS, in an ice-cold petri dish. Cut the tumor into small pieces of approximately 5 to 10 milligrams each, and place the remaining tumor pieces back into 10 milliliters of BIOPS kept on ice. After blotting the tissue sections carefully on a filter paper, place them on a small plastic tiered weighboat and record the initial wet weight. Place the unused pieces back into the 10 milliliter conical tube of BIOPS for continued preservation. Submerge the tissue sections into an ice-cold homogenizer containing MIR-O5 and record the remaining weight on the weighboat. Using a glass pestle with a clearance range of 0.09 to 0.16 millimeters, gently disrupt the tumor tissue by completing 5 to 7 down and up strokes.